5 seconds to go. Start. Indian Navy is one of the branches of the Indian Armed Forces and is incredibly important for protecting the coasts of India. The Indian Navy protects us from any enemy attacks that could happen through the way of water and carry out operations that involve swimming across a water body. They go through incredibly hard and tedious training for the better part of their life just so they can protect us from any enemy attacks. The speech on Indian Navy Day let us learn some hard-hitting facts and more engaging knowledge about the Indian Navy. The Indian Armed Forces, that include all three branches, is an immensely brave and courageous force worldwide, and therefore it is primitive that we acknowledge and appreciate the efforts put in by the Indian Navy in order to protect us from the underlying dangers. Indian Navy Day gives us the opportunity to express courageous soldiers and pay our respects to the martyrs who lost their lives while protecting us. They sail with valor in their soul and honor in their heart. A very warm welcome to our honorable chief guest, all the faculty members present here, and my peers on this immensely significant day for our nation. I am a student of class 10th A, and today I am honored to have the opportunity to express my views on today's topic, which is Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy Day is celebrated every year on 4th December to commemorate the Indian Naval Forces achievements and the significant role they played in keeping the nation together and protected from any enemy attack. We have gathered here today to pay respect to the valiant soldiers of our nation for their courage and bravery that never ceases to amaze us. I would assume some of you might have questions about why is Indian Naval Forces so important for the protection of our nation when usually the attacks happened through air strikes or through the medium of land. Our enemies have eyes everywhere, and especially when we are surrounded by them on all sides. Therefore, it is not just the land or the air above us that can be a medium of attack. Rather, water serves as an incredible medium to camouflage our enemies, and therefore the Indian Naval Forces have to be very alert in order to ensure security across the water boundaries. History of Indian Navy Day. Both of December was chosen as the date of celebrate Indian Navy Day every year pertaining to India's victory in 1971 and the success of Operation Trident. The name Operation Trident was given to an operation carried out by the Indian Navy forces which sank 4 of Pakistani vessels including PNS Khabir. This sinking of 4 Pakistani vessels killed hundreds of Pakistani Navy personnel. There, on this day, we also remember not only the matters of the Indian Navy forces but also those killed in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. Today, the Indian Navy, along with the other 2 branches of the Indian Armed Forces, is led by the President of India, who attacks and acts as the Commander-in-Chief. According to the Vedas and ancient Indian texts, the Maratha Emperor Shivaji was given the title of the father of the Indian Navy. Therefore, the Indian Navy has always played an indispensable role in protecting the marine borders of the nation as well as actively helping in creating and maintaining foreign relations through water trade and sea ports visits. In case of any humanity calamities, Indian naval forces are the first ones to respond and reach the affected site to carry out relief operations and contribute to the renovation. Continue reading the short speech on Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy Day celebrations. Symbolically, the Indian Navy Day coincided with the Royal Navy's Trafalgar Day. It was in 1944 when the Royal Indian Navy celebrated Navy Day for the very first time. The purpose of celebrating was to increase awareness about what the job entailed and influence more and more people to join the Royal Navy. It was on 21st October when the personnel from the Royal Navy conducted various parades at famous port cities along with numerous public meetings at some of the naval establishments. It was after 1945 when World War II came to an end that Navy Day began being celebrated on the 1st of December in order to honor the naval forces of not just India but all the countries of the world. Not just that, celebrations of Indian Navy Day have been through many changes, like declaring of the Navy Week on 15th December 1972. It was finally a senior naval officer that conducted a conference and reached out for approval to declare the 4th of December as the Indian Navy Day. Celebrations of Indian Navy Day do not only entail paying respect to the martyrs but also appreciating the achievements and Indian Navy forces successful operations like Operation Trident, which was conducted on the Karachi harbour, killing more than hundreds of Pakistani personnel and providing India with its victory. Stop.